The comfort that feels like home. That job you never left. That partner you outgrew. That routine that got to be easy. Comfort is not peace. It's just a padded cage. Sugar, the sweet slow poison in NYC. It's in everything, even salad dressing. In Germany, childhood sugar consumption is rising. In Australia, treats become daily meals. It hugs your brain then hijacks your body. The quiet desk job. In Canada, 1 in 4 adults sit more than 8 hours a day. Desk jobs offer stability, but cost your spine and heart. Nordic workers balance it better with midday walks. It gives you a salary and takes your years. Toxic positivity smiling through burnout and long. Be grateful. Culture hiding trough. Not all smiles are healthy. Processed foods that love you back. Temporarily microwave dinners in the UK are comfort food. In the US, fast food is affordable joy. German supermarkets are loaded with processed meats. It fills your stomach, then hollows your health. Alcohol as a coping culture. Wine nights in New Zealand. After work beers in Canada. Social brunches with cocktails in Sydney. It loosens your nerves and tightens your grip on denial. The algorithm that knows you better than you do. Scrolling past midnight in Berlin. TikTok replacing therapy for teens in the UK. YouTube rabbit holes in rural America. It understands your pain, then profits from it. Overworking to prove you matter. The hustle culture in New York. Germany's rising burnout rates. Australia's I'm fine workaholism. Your worth isn't your work, but the world won't tell you that. Subtle inflammation that builds over years. Skin flare-ups from hidden food triggers. Joint pain normalized as just age in the UK. The pain didn't come overnight, it was whispered daily. Loneliness dressed up as independence. I don't need anyone. Trend in Toronto. Solo living in Nordic cities rising. Digital friends replacing real touch. It feels empowering until the silence deafens you. Blue light and broken sleep. Sleep disorders common in Londoners under 30. Germany's rising melatonin sales. Kids in Australia glued to tablets past bedtime. Your screen sings lullabies made of insomnia. Sedentary lifestyle equals silent killer. Average UK adult walks 3,000 steps day, half the healthy amount. Nordic Viking cultures vs us car dependency. Standing desks are trend, but rarely used. Stillness is not rest, it's erosion. Emotional numbness masquerading as maturity in Germany. Strong silence hides deep pain. In Australia, humor masks hurt. In Canada, politeness replaces honesty. Emotions you ignore will one day own you. The love that drains you staying for the kids in UK marriages. Codependency masked as loyalty in us couples. It wraps you in history and bleeds you daily. The comfort zone is the most dangerous place on earth. Dreams postponed become regrets. You forget you once had wings. If it never challenges you, it slowly kills you.